I think it's the 27th of March 2023. We're at this resort for 2 nights and it's quite nice, very hot, very hot. No real breeze blowing here. We're going to come around here on the other side of the pole. And we got in here our dining area, and we got the bar set up there. If we go down here, it goes off to the room. Some people are staying over there. Vicky and myself, our single rooms are off in the distance. They're out in some other distant land. But okay, and then we go over here, and it looks like we got a good pizza menu here too. So yeah, it doesn't look too big a reflection off of that, but I'd like the margarita down there, additional stuff, fruits and veggies, maybe put some fruit on that. That'd be good. And subject to 6% SST, which I guess is sales tax. And here's the extensive drink menu, and 32 ringlets, so it's about 4.5 ringlets to $1. But after you exchange money, it's going to cost you more, so you're probably only getting 4 ringlets to $1. So that's like $8 for an apple mojito. That's about the going rate there. And then up here in the back, it's a little hard to see, way back there, they got soda, mineral water, can of Tiger beer, which is $14.50, which is about $4 or so. And it looks like that's the only beer that they have, Tiger, a can of Tiger, and no beer on draft or anything else. And this is a reception area here as you come in, and you got a lot of fans. There's our bus out there, I think, or one similar to ours. Maybe that's for a different group. But yeah, this is where we had lunch here. Ooh, I walked in the thing there. I almost had a tripping hazard there, but it's okay. And back out here, we got a pond out here and everything. And all right, so that's a little tour of this, and maybe do some more later on. Oh, we're doing a canopy walk today, but it's not really a canopy. It's a hard surface that's, you go up and it takes you around a little bit higher. So it's not like the swaying bridge held up by ropes, which I thought was going to be canopy walk. He said that's for a different day. So this is just a sweltering hot walk, mostly uphill so far. And for sunset, and we have flashlights, so it might be dark coming back. I don't know, so it's probably a long trail here, so we'll see how it goes here. There's an orangutan down there coming toward us. I don't know if you can see him in the vid, but he's right about there. We're going to have to back off so he doesn't attack us here.
He may not do anything, but if he decides he wants to do something, if he's there, there's nothing we can do.
Look like he is very relaxed, but he I think at some point he will use any of that.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and back
Okay,
up.
everybody, let's
Just be respectful.
slowly back off
Yeah, just come on.
and give him some space.
Ready?
So
No.
when we get
Also move back. He's coming back.
Yeah, a little quicker.
Now you can take photo. Look like he's
Okay.
going off the rail. Huh? He's still deciding.
He's deciding what to do. On the rail. Oh,
He's right there.
there
Oh,
he
yeah.
goes. He's decided. And now he's
Now we
decided
could go
he's
down.
going down.
Yep. He's down here.
Oh, perfect example of him even swinging to go from tree to tree.
He's down here.
Yeah, leaning into it.
Oh, down there in the Canopy walk, that's where we saw the orangutan earlier. Then we had to backtrack and follow him, and then come all the way back, come down here, and I climbed this big tower. You can look down there, and somebody else coming up here. I took my time coming up and do a little walk around here. As we come up to the top of the canopy here, you can see there's more of it going over there, although the sun's going down, so it's getting a little darker out there in the environment. You come around this side here, you got a couple benches up here. You want to sit down, have a little sit down here, mafia style and whatever. No critters up here. I thought I'd run into a monkey or something up here and have to save the group by sacrificing myself, but I guess not. So there you go. Okay, 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm going down the steps. You gotta watch my step here. Just up in that tower. I go down a lot faster than I went up, that's for sure. Took multiple stops coming up. Kid's a speed demon coming down. Speed demon. Now gravity's doing most of the work in my huge frame here. Some may say it's not huge, but it feels to me like it's huge. Okay, better turn this off. You got the idea. What's the spiral staircases like?